I'm Alec McLennan, founder of Good Nature Organic Lawn Care. At Good Nature, we do organic lawn care. It's like chemical lawn service, but without the chemicals. A lot of the products we use are kind of sludgy and maybe they require suspension. Before we found EvenMix, we were trying to work with these big fan mixers and super expensive pieces of equipment that really didn't even work that well and were kind of hard to work with. And Phil brought us this little tiny air-powered mixer with these small fins on it, and I thought, how's that gonna really work? And we put it in that toad, basically solidified corn solids in a liquid, and the thing went right to work. When I looked at the blades initially, I was skeptical that it would actually work to mix up the products we were trying to mix up. It doesn't look big and doesn't seem like it would be super powerful. It does a great job of mixing things up. It can overcome bigger, heavier products. I thought, okay, this is awesome, this is what we need. And I like the fact that it was really easy to fit into a tote because the blades fold up and down when you're putting them in and out. And so we can actually save money by not necessarily needing to have a mixer for every tote we have. We can move them around, and on top of the lower price, it's just been very cost effective for us, in addition to making sure that we don't waste product. All right, so what we like about it is we can put our totes up on top shelves and we just run an air hose to each of the ones that we need to mix throughout the shop. And with one switch, we can turn on the air compressor. It makes it real easy to turn them all on at once real quickly. If you're looking for mixers, I'd highly recommend working with EvenMix. We've had a great experience and I'd be willing to bet that you will too.